Hello fellas, hope you are good. Without warnings, I decided to take a solo trip So it's 3:13 and today it's Wednesday 3 January 2024. Yeah, I'm a little bit stressful. I feel a lot of excitement. I hope everything will be alright. I will prepare myself. Like now, everything is already prepared. The bag, like the other baggage. It will be a little bit long trip, almost 24 hours between being in the plane and waiting in Istanbul airport and after in Sochi. So I hope everything will be good. I hope everything will go like prepared. I was a little bit sick for 3 days and just now like I feel a little bit okay, but all good. Yeah, I hope all good. Bye. After this hero part, which is ew, I head up to the airport and from here, everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do thank you very much for your attention, and now we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the takeoff. The captain has made tower communications available, so if you'd like to monitor the air traffic system, you'll find that on channel 9 and your headsets in the seat pocket in front of you.
As my trip is a kind of long one, I need to take a nap on the plane. And as I woke up, I found myself in. So, I survived almost 5 hours or 6. Yeah, it's not so hard, but it's kind of exhausting. I'm really proud of myself for what I achieved. I have like some bad story about missing the plane, so this time it was directly after this story, like after 2 months from this story happened. I take the first plane on time, like it's so good. The second one, I didn't even blink. I was like running, and now the first, I still even didn't come for boarding time. I'm so glad that I'm making every time everything perfect. Yeah, I'm a little bit tired, but it's okay. And we will see all of you after what it will be. At the end, I think it will be so cool trip. I'm almost half of it, and I'm still wanted to be on time also for the train. I hope everything goes good for the plane now. Okay, anyway. You will see. Yep, and here we go. I landed on Sochi airport and took a 5 hours train to Krasnodar. And since first second, I started to discover this place, and I was stunned by the lights and the monuments, which is literally everything. It's like every single part was made for showing some story. It started from the huge trees to the monument for the solar system, a huge cinema space, natural lighting plants, and spotlights. God, they are everywhere. And another thing, the Christmas here is like forever. Okay, I need to change destination to Welcome to Japan, or I must say, the Little Japan.
motto, fellas.
I was spending a very cool trip. But before I go, I was lucky to be in an orchestral concert. And here's some of it. After that, I took the same train to Sochi airport and to Istanbul and to Tunisia. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.